Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove movies from your list or my list on Netflix. So here, open your Netflix. So the my list is the what movies or shows that you want to watch later. So you can just find it on your list. So this is my list, and let's say I want to remove a movie from this list. So click on the see all first. So here are the list of movies that I want to watch. For example, I'm going to remove this movies or show in to from my list. So what you need to do is just swipe to the left like this, and you'll see the trash bin icon. Just click on that or just swipe to the left, and now the movies has been removed from my list. That's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.